Good morning, everybody. Workout's done. Day 66, or only 299 left. Look at that. I'm below 300. 66 days has been a little crazy, so I'm curious to see what the other 299's like. I will say this much: this gets much easier in the summer when we're on the road, right? Because literally I'll be in a different town most every day at a different event, riding through different areas. That makes this job a lot easier, rather than just being around home, sharing with you my boring little existence. But anyway, I appreciate you guys hanging out and watching my boring existence. Anyway, you guys know the routine. Coffee is earned, sun is out, and it's time to get ready to go. All right, guys, look at me, like out middle of the day. So get ready to hop on the bike, take a quick ride. Probably one of my very best friends, if not very best friend, Brian, sent me a message today and said, hey, you want to catch up for lunch? So I don't ever leave the house for lunch or do anything like this. And I almost said no today because I just got a lot of shit to do. But Mama Badger's like, no, you need to go. You need to go see your friend. You need to get out of the house. You never do stuff like this. So anyway, up on Mama Badger's demands, I'm gonna fire up the bike and I'm gonna go out to lunch with a friend of mine. So here we go. Well, guys, it's Wednesday, and you know what the question usually is: guess what day it is? In this case, guess what time it is? Time to take a ride. Maybe. Plug it in. The plug-in's literally right there. We made it.
Does that face you? Oh, that's cool. Like when you do your free ride, whatever.
Yeah, you're talking to it now. It's
oh
on.
yeah, I'm on there. Sweet. What's up, Badger Nation? Hey, hey, what's up, Badger Nation?
It's my buddy Brian. That's who we're going to lunch with. great to hang out with Brian. All right, guys, so that was Brian, my very best friend up here in Florida. And the funny thing is, I met him, I don't know, 5 or 6 years ago. I was in the credit card processing business, had left Harley and was starting to get out and network, right? That's a great way to build a business. That's what we're building here, Support Bikers, Biker Network, where people connect with each other and can support each other. Anyway, I went to a networking group called Master Networks, and I joined the group of Master Networks, and he was actually the owner, regional partner, so he owned this area. And I got invited to like a lunch and learn. So it was a lunch where a bunch of people that were potentially going to join Master Networks or just wanted to learn more about it went. And so when I got there, I was sitting down, and he walks in his like business attire, suit, tie, and he walks in, and I'm like, who is this douchebag? Anyway, as it goes on, he's introduced as the owner, and I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna like this dude at all. He just looks like an ass. Anyway, long story short, we met each other, we hung out a little bit, we became great friends, and then I actually became, at first, his success coach here. So I helped him build networking groups, and we built this area up to almost 300 members before I left to do this full time. And he actually sold the region. He doesn't have it anymore either. But, you know, we became really great friends through all that. Angie left BNI, which is another networking group, came to Master Networks and helped us grow it. And we spent a lot of time together building networking groups, creating relationships and friends, and we've stayed friends all this time. And you'll see him a lot. Like, we're going to Tortuga Music Festival, which you'll see in this video. It's in April, the week before we leave for Arkansas. And it's a weekend on the beach with like a bunch of singers. I know some of the headliners are Eric Church, Kenny Chesney, and just there's probably 40 or 50 artists that weekend. We just go hang out all weekend on the beach and listen to music and just, you know, chill. So I'm super excited to go do that. I'm even more excited that I'm going with him. He is a single guy, but he has a super awesome girl right now that I've never met, and I've met about all of his girlfriends in the past 5 or 6 years. So we're super excited to meet her. Angie and I both adore Brian and hope that he finds the woman of his dreams. So anyway, I just want to give you guys a little backstory, because you will see him more and more as you know, I'm doing the daily vlog and as we get to hang out with him. So don't be surprised when you see him in the future. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, taking the ride, meeting my buddy Brian, and we will see you tomorrow.